Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm 50 years old. I'm a mom to 5. We homeschool. And so finding some time for myself to do something I enjoy is pretty important to be able to give back to the family. And one thing I like doing is crafts. I love doing crafts. I like doing kits. And so some of my favorite kind of kits are diamond art, paint by number. I like doing puzzles and puzzle books and playing games with the family. To that end, I found this paint by number kit by Ledgebay, and I was really impressed solely by the packaging. I very seldom get crafts that are sent to me in such a nice package. This really is going to keep it from getting damaged when it ships. Of course, it came in a larger Amazon package, but still pretty good. I thought I would unbox this now and show you what's inside. I have not touched this since I got it. Have you ever done a paint by number? And if so, what is your favorite company that you use? And in general, do you like crafts, and what's your favorite craft? Let's talk about that in the comments. I know for people who do paint by numbers, I may not be presenting this the right way, but we're going to present it the only way I know how. I've actually not watched any unboxings of paint by numbers. I'm not a good painter at all. I'm not a good painter. I love painting, but I'm not good at it. For me, a paint by number solves the problem of I don't know what colors to put together. I don't know the best way to do it. It's all done for me. It tells me what number to paint. It's got the paints already mixed up. I like to do watercolors. Mixing up the paint can be difficult for me. This is really small, tiny numbers. It's called Apple Harvest, and the canvas is very nice and thick. The backs are folded back. There's no fraying whatsoever. This is a super nice canvas. I'm impressed by the canvas. It will need to set out on the table for a few days, and some of these wrinkles will come out. Another thing that I always do when I get these is I just roll them backward. This seems to help some to roll it backwards, a lot in fact. And by the time I get ready to paint it, it's ready to go. You can also iron these. I've tried that a few times. I feel really uncomfortable ironing them because I'm afraid I'm going to burn them. I just stick it back in there. But you could place a little towel on them and put a very light iron on them and get the wrinkles out. Like I said, I'm hesitant to do that. This isn't just a piece of paper in case you're working and you forget a number, you paint over it and you forget it. Boom. This is the very, very first time I have gotten a paint by number that has this legend. And thank you, because many times I've forgotten what number I was working on, because sometimes I like to do 2 or 3 coats depending on how light that color is. And then what color was this? Because a lot of the colors are similar and then you just forget. So that's handy. They've got a wonderful instruction sheet. I would say if you've never done a paint by number, be sure and read the instructions. If you've never done a paint by number, you're in for a treat. They came with paintbrushes? Are you kidding me? I have never done a paint by number that has come with paintbrushes. What I meant was I've never seen 4 paintbrushes in my paint by number. All of my other paint by numbers came with just the one. These are pretty decent quality from what I can tell. There are no loose hairs. They're sticking up very nicely. This is so soft, like it should be. This is the one that you do the larger areas with. These are the detail brushes. To have 3 of them is pretty great. One of them is an outliner. You kind of outline the shape and then you just kind of dab it in. I'm so used to watercoloring, but it's similar with acrylics. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with the paintbrushes. Usually the paintbrushes are just really cheap. I never use them. I always use my own paintbrushes. The barrel's pretty decent. You could definitely move them around if you squeeze hard enough, but just by squeezing, they don't budge. Very pleased with these. This one, oh, it's gonna be so good for outlining. It's frozen there. It's just stiff. Fantastic. This one is stiff, but it's got a little bit of give right there at the tip. And then this one is much softer. This is the outlining one. Fantastic. And then inside of here are some little hooks and some tiny little baby screws. You can hang these up when you're done. Fantastic. Never gotten these either. I think I found a new paint by number dealer. It's kind of what it's like when you just kind of start collecting these. They're dealers. And here is the lovely painting itself. So fun for fall. Fantastic fall painting. The paints are vacuum sealed so that even if one were to come open in shipping, it doesn't ruin your canvas. Love that. Each numbered on the top, which is the only right way to do it. Some beautiful colors. Got all these lovely fall colors, these muted pinks, very pretty. We've got 2 of these, 9 and 10, so there must be a lot of that. Oh, this purple right here, very pretty. And then, this green, don't like that. Well, I'd say this is a really great kit. I love the presentation. I love the quality of these. I will definitely be purchasing more from this brand. Now, if you need any tips, I'm not the person to give you tips, but if you'd like to see another video on the best way to start this or some little accessories that I bought that makes it just the tiniest bit easier, just let me know in the comments. I will link this craft and a few extra items that I like to use in the description. You can just click the little arrow, it'll open up. If you like crafts, be sure to subscribe.